Namaskar, Manmohan Jindal, ex-banker from Mumbai, IBBI registered valuer institute in financial assets. We shall discuss today some MCQs on debt recovery agents. You know that to become an recovery agent in a bank or financial institution, he has to crack the exam of IIBF after taking the 50 hours or 100 hours training as the case may be. So, my little effort to update the candidates. Question number one is that saving interest is calculated by banks on minimum balance, on maximum balance, on daily basis, or on minimum balance between 10 to the last working day of the month. So earlier, saving interest was calculated on the minimum balance or between 10 to the last date of working of the month, but it is converted into to be calculated on daily basis. So nowadays, saving interest is calculated on daily basis. Fixed deposit and recurring deposits are repayable on demand, repayable after an agreed period, not repayable, or repayable after death of the depositor. So we know that there are two types of deposits: one demand deposits and other term deposits. So fixed deposits and recurring deposits are comes under terms deposits. So it is not repayable on demand. No, repayable on demands are saving bank or current account, etc. Repayable after an agreed fee. We know that fixed deposit and recurring deposit are for a fixed period. So when period is over, it is repayable. और नॉट रिपेबल तो हो ही नहीं सकता, जिसने पैसा जमा किया वो पैसा लेगा, और आफ्टर द डेथ ऑफ द डिपॉजिटर तो उसके नॉमिनी वगैरह को मिलेगा. सो आंसर इज repayable after an agreed period. ATM is issued in saving account, current account, recurring deposit, fixed deposit. So we know that ATM is used for withdrawing the money from the ATM machines, and as soon as we swap the debit card, it debit our saving account or current account, because these are only the demand deposits. Recurring deposit and fixed deposits are term deposits, and in these type of deposits, ATMs are not issued. So answer is 1 and 2, means saving account and current. So ATM is issued in the saving account and current account. How many basic saving bank deposit account an individual open in the bank? We know that there are two types of account. एक basic saving bank deposit account and another is full KYC saving account. So how many basic saving bank account can individual open in a bank? 1, 2, 3, 4. So answer here is 1. An individual is eligible to have only one basic saving bank account in one bank. You can open in other bank also, but in one bank. How many other saving bank account can have an individual where he is having basic saving bank deposit account? So if a customer wants to open a basic saving bank account and other is full KYC account, or where an individual having a basic saving bank account and want to open another bank account, so whether it is 0, 1, 2 or 3, so answer is 0. Holders of basic saving bank account will not be eligible for opening any other saving account in that bank. If a customer has other existing saving account in that bank, she will be required to close it within 30 days from the date of opening a basic saving bank. यदि ये खोलना चाहता है तो 30 दिन के अंदर उसको बंद करना होगा. An individual is holding basic saving bank account, whether he can have a term deposit, fixed deposit, recurring deposit, or another option is he cannot have term deposit, recurring deposit, He can have term deposit up to rupees 1 lakh, or he can have term deposit up to rupees 5. So here answer is that he can have term deposit or fixed deposit, recurring deposit. There is no bar and there is no restriction of the amount also. The basic saving bank account can be opened only by poor, only by weaker sections of the population, can open by all the customers, and can open only by the Divyangs. So here there is no restrictions on opening the basic saving bank account, and can be opened by all the customers, by all the citizens of India. So basic saving bank deposit account is considered as normal banking service available to all customers. Now question number 8 is that whether there are any restrictions like age, income, amount, uh, etc. criteria for opening BSBDA by banks for individuals. So options are yes, there is restrictions. Only poor can open. Bank can impose restrictions, or there is no restrictions like age, income, criteria of the individual for opening BSBDA. So answer is fourth, there is no restrictions like age, income, criteria of the individual for opening BSBDA. Basic saving bank account deposit is a part of financial inclusion. Yes, it is a part of financial inclusion. All the accounts opened earlier as no frill account are renamed as BSBDA. No, it is not a part of financial inclusion, and none of the above. What is the correct answer? 1 or 2, 1 or 3, all are correct, all are not correct. So here answer is 1 and 2. Yes, it is a part of financial inclusion, and all the no frill account opened earlier are renamed as BSBDA. So what are the conditions stipulated for accounts which are additionally to be treated as BSBDA small account? Number 1, total credit in such account should not exceed 1 lakh rupees in a year. Maximum balance in the account should not exceed 50,000 rupees at a time. The total of debits by way of cash withdrawals or transfer will not exceed 10,000 rupees in a month. Foreign remittance cannot be credited to small accounts without completing the normal KYC formalities. Means you have to convert into full KYC saving account. Small accounts are valid for a period of 12 months and initially which may be extended by another 12 months if the person provides proof of having applied for an officially valid document. Sometimes persons are not having the Aadhaar, PAN, etc. So if he has applied for the official valid documents, then he can be extended another 12 months. Small accounts can only be opened at CBS linked branches of the banks or at such branches where it is possible to manually monitor the fulfillment of the conditions, because there are conditions mentioned above that uh, credit should not exceed rupees 1 lakh in a year, or maximum balance in the account should not exceed 50,000. In the CVS branches, in the computerized branches, it is easy to monitor these accounts because system put alerts as soon as the uh, one person reaches to the threshold limit. So here answer is all are correct, all are not correct, only 1 and 2 are correct, and only 1 and 5 are correct. So answer is that all are correct. These are the basic features of a small saving account. So this is from my side. Thank you very much. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.